Well, what's happening at the moment, really, and it'll be particularly good to see tomorrow night, is that Venus and Jupiter are at what we call a conjunction. And that means that they just appear close in the sky. Now, I should stress that doesn't actually mean these two planets are physically close together. Jupiter is something like 7 times as far away from the Earth as Venus is. But it's an optical illusion. They're both in the same direction. And so you look at it and you think, wow, you've got these two really quite bright objects close together in the sky. Now, the best way to see them is to go out pretty much as it gets dark, actually. So say half an hour after sunset, and then I think they'll be absolutely unmistakable to anybody who looks for them. Venus is dazzlingly bright, and Jupiter only slightly less so. So really, it's hard to miss them. They're really stunning objects. If you look over to the western sky, they'll start off after sunset in sort of about the west-southwest, and as the night progresses, move down towards the west. So they're very easy to spot. They start off really quite high up, and then they sink down as the night goes on. The time when the planets appear closest together is the 13th of March, but actually they'll be close together for a good few days after that. And actually, Venus will be visible all the way through into May, and Jupiter towards about the second half of April. So the two planets are going to be with us for some time yet. And I think what I should stress is that they are really unmistakable. You're looking at objects which look like two blazing beacons in the sky, and I wouldn't be surprised at all if, maybe not the Telegraph, but certainly the police and the MOD and the RAF get calls about UFO sightings, because it's a spectacular sight and quite unusual, and for that reason I think people really will be struck by it. They're good objects to go and have a look at, that actually, wherever you are, provided you've got a clear sky and you're not, say, in the middle of an area of the city that's surrounded by skyscrapers, you should have really no difficulty seeing them at all.